children? Yes, in before class we have learned about places in the school. Yes, what are the places in the school? What we have learned about? Principal's room, library, classroom, next staff room, musical room, assembly hall. In some schools they have canteen, washroom. Yes, all these are the places in our school. Now see children, we have different places in our school. Yes or no? Now, why do we have many rooms in our school? We have rooms in our school. Yes or no? Why do we have so many rooms in our school? Can anyone? What are the use of that rooms? So today we are going to discuss about different rooms in the school. Okay children? School. Different rooms in our school. Now take draw this table and make it into half. Yes. Draw this table like this and write here name of the place. What you want to write here? Name of the place. Yes, we have learned in before class places. Now you want to write here what happens here. What happens here. So, for example, I will tell you only one classroom. Yes, tell me what we do in the classroom. We study. Yes or no? We study. See here now. Name of the place. In before class we have learned about the places. Yes, what are the places? Classroom, principal room, library, playground, music room, etc. We have learned. Among them today we are learning what happens in that place. Yes, now tell me in classroom what we do? We study. Principal's room? Yes, principal ma'am or sir sits there and do their work. In library, yes, we read in the library and also we sometimes borrow the books and we take to the home. Yes, in playground we play. Musical room we learn music. Yes or no?
Yes, children, now tell me, what are the some places that every school should have? Did you understood my question? We have so many schools in our place, isn't it? Each and every school should have some places. What are they? Yes, we should have compulsory the classroom, isn't it? We should have the playground. We should have the and there should be a washroom to wash our hands and should go to the toilet, isn't it? And there should be a principal's room. Yes or no? For what purpose we should have the principal's room? To meet the other teachers and parents. Now tell me children, why do we have so many classrooms in the school? One room is enough, no? Why we have so many rooms? We have first class, second class, third class, fourth class, LKG, UKG. So many rooms we have. One class is enough, no? Why we have so many rooms? And also we have library room, playground, art room, staff room. So many rooms we have. Why? One room is enough, no, for us? Yes, why we have so many rooms means children, we have a classroom for every class, isn't it? We want class for nursery children. Why? Because they are very small children, they used to cry for their parents. Yes? Now they should have the classroom for the first class, second class, third class, fourth and fifth, isn't it? In this way students can study different subjects in different classrooms. When you have the science teacher in your class, another math teacher will be in the other class, so that math teacher and science subject cannot be disturbed. Yes or no? You may be not disturbed by the other classes. So that we have so many rooms in our school, not to disturb others. Okay children? Yes children, what is the place here we can see in the picture? Yes, it is the playground. What we do here? Yes, we play in the playground. Do we have playground in our school? Yes. Yes, we have a big playground in our school. What we do there? We play. So no, we play with our friends. This is the one place in our school. Next one, see this picture and identify what is this place. Yes, can you tell? This is the library. What we can do in this place? Yes, we can read the books. Which type of books we can find here, children? Yes, we can find stories books, isn't it? Moral stories and some subject books. Do we have library in our school? Yes, we have library in our school. We have so many books here, isn't it? Yes, and also we can borrow these books to our home. After reading, again we can submit in the library. So, library helps us to read different types of books which we want. Okay, children? See the next picture. Yes, what is this picture? See the first one. Some teachers are sitting there and doing their work. What we call that place? Yes, when the teachers have no classes, they sit in the staff room and do their work. What work they are doing here? Yes, when we have done our homework and submit to the teacher, they do the corrections in that room. See there, they are doing the corrections, isn't it? Yes, when you have written the STs, they do the corrections and they do all the works in the staff room. Now see the second picture. What the children doing there? Yes, they are painting, drawing in that room. Now tell me, what is that room? Yes, it is the art room. What we do in the art room, children? We learn drawing here, isn't it? See that all the children are learning to draw, how to draw and how to paint. Do we have art room, children? Yes, we have art room. We also every week we are learning the drawing, isn't it, children? Yes. Now tell me, what we call this room? Yes, we can find here table, chairs, blackboard, one teacher and some students, isn't it? Now tell me, what is this room? Yes, this is the classroom. What we do in the classroom? We learn. Yes, what we learn? We learn what the teacher teaches us. What is the work of the teacher? She teaches us. We learn everything in the classroom, isn't it? Yes, this is the classroom. What is this room, children? Yes, I think you all are telling the right answer. Yes, this is the principal ma'am's room. What principal ma'am do in this room? Yes, principal ma'am sit in this room and do her work. She meets our parents and teachers, isn't it? Yes. Yes, once again see the table, children. Place in the school. What happens in the school? First one is classroom. What happens in the classroom? We study here. Next one, principal's room. Principal ma'am or sir sits here and do their work. Next one, washroom. What we do in the washroom, children? Yes, we wash our hands and go to toilets. Next, library. We read here and also sometimes we borrow the books to our home. In playground, what we do? We play here with our friends. Do we have canteen, children? No. In some schools, they have canteen and they sit in that canteen and they eat the food. Canteen means we eat food here. Okay, these all are the some places which we can see in our school. Okay, children, now open your textbooks. Did you open? Keep the finger. Uses of different places in the school. We use different places in the school in different ways. See the picture, first one, pictures of places in school. Next box we have name of the place. In next box, what happened here. See the first picture, library. What we do in the library, children? We read books here. Second picture, playground. We play here. Third one, canteen. We get food and we eat here. Classroom. What we do in the classroom, children? We study here. Principal's room. We can meet the principal here. Staff room. We can find teachers here when they do not have a class. Last one, assembly area. All students and teachers and the principal get together here. Okay, children, now open your volumes. Fast, open your volume, children. Did you open? Write the date. Different places in school. First one, complete the table. See the picture and write the name. Okay, children, in first box you should write the name of that place. We can find there some musical instruments, isn't it? Then what we call that place? Yes, we can call it as a musical room. What happens here? We learn music. For example, I told only one, other you should write. Okay, next picture, see. I think all the children are playing in the yes, you should write the answer. And what happens here, you should write. Okay, now see the third picture. I can find here doctor and one student. Then tell me what is the place we call it? Yes, we can call it as a medical room. What happens here? The doctor was checking to the child. What happened to her? Isn't it? Yes. See the last picture. What is that room? Yes, this is the principal's room. What happened here? Write the answer. Okay. Now see the second one. Why do we need so many rooms in a school? We need so many rooms for not to disturb others. Isn't it? Yes. This is the topic today, children. Okay.